Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. The restrictions many of us have had to live with don't mean you have to be grounded. The folks at DJI say this may be a good time to learn or brush up on drone flying skills. And DJI is out with the new Mavic Air 2, designed for portability, superb video quality, and ease of flying. The company's Maria Jung.
It's actually the first Mavic in our lineup to offer 4K video at 60 frames per second, and you're still able to get 12 megapixel image quality, but because of a new high-resolution mode through pixel binning, you're actually able to capture 48 megapixels now as well. And on top of all of this, you're getting HDR video and HDR panorama.
And the battery life has been bumped up to 34 minutes of flying time on a charge. Find more at DJI.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.